iQOO is back in the spotlight with the release of its latest series, Neo 11, which was officially announced in China at the end of October 2025. As the successor to the Neo line, known for its fast performance and affordable price, this series immediately became the center of attention among gadget enthusiasts and mobile gamers. Here is a complete review of the iQOO Neo 11 that you need to know. The iQOO Neo 11 has a bolder and more modern look with fresh colors. There are 4 color options available: facing the wind with a sparkling blue hue, clean-looking glowing white, bright pixel orange, and elegant shadow black. The design is inspired by the iQOO 15 series with the use of smooth AG glass that doesn't easily leave fingerprints. The difference is that the Neo 11 has a younger character with strong reflective effects and neon accents, making it suitable for those who want to look stylish without looking excessive. The frame now uses sturdy metal materials and is IP68 and IP69 certified. This means that this phone is resistant to water and dust and can even withstand high-pressure water jets from various directions. This durability makes the Neo 11 feel more robust for everyday use, whether it's exposed to drizzle, spilled drinks, or dusty conditions. The camera module design also stands out with its floating style, creating a modern look while reinforcing the distinctive identity of the Neo series. The iQOO Neo 11's display is one of its most notable features, utilizing a 6.82-inch AMOLED LTPO panel with 2K resolution. This BOE Q10 Plus panel supports a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, resulting in a remarkably smooth display. iQOO also adds eye protection features, such as 2,592 Hz PWM dimming across all brightness levels, and circular polarizer technology to reduce glare. There is also a Game Eye Protection 2.0 feature that can reduce blue light without changing the screen color, keeping your eyes comfortable during long gaming sessions. The touch response is also very fast and accurate. iQOO has installed a special touch chip with a touch sampling rate of up to 3,200 Hz and a response time of only 25.4 milliseconds. This technology is equipped with an anti-jitter algorithm to remain stable when used with a case or when playing using multiple fingers at once. The results are noticeable in competitive games, as movements like flicking or tracking become more smooth and precise. Many reviews note that the gaming experience on the Neo 11 feels more consistent and responsive compared to other phones that rely solely on high refresh rates on paper. Although not a photography-focused phone, the iQOO Neo 11 still offers solid camera capabilities for everyday needs. The device is equipped with a 50MP main camera, with a large 1.56-inch sensor and OIS support, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 16MP front camera. Its photos have consistent colors across lenses, and its night mode has also been improved. There are also film filter options and creative color tones that can add an artistic touch without needing much editing. Overall, the Neo 11's camera is more than sufficient for daily photos, social media content, and short videos. The 2K 144 Hz display and super-fast touch response also make the photography experience smoother. The preview display is more realistic, shutter lag is reduced, and video results appear more stable thanks to stereo speaker support that enhances the immersive experience. The performance of the iQOO Neo 11 relies on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset combined with the internal Q2 gaming chip to maintain stable performance over long periods of time. This combination is capable of producing AnTuTu scores in the range of 3.3 to 3.5 million points and is supported by the Monster engine system, which focuses on efficiency and high performance. In real-world use, popular games such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, Genshin Impact, and Honkai Star Rail run smoothly with high and stable frame rates. The 2K super sampling technology and frame interpolation up to 144 FPS via the Q2 chip also make the gaming experience smoother without excessive heat. This fast performance is further supported by LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, UFS 4.1 storage, and a large VC 8K cooling system covering approximately 8,000 square millimeters, which helps maintain stable temperatures. The Neo 11 also runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16 and is equipped with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, full connectivity including Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and stereo speakers with a powerful X-axis vibration motor. The battery is one of the main advantages of the iQOO Neo 11 because it has a large capacity of 7,500 mAh without making the body feel thick or heavy. This capacity provides long usage time for various activities, such as social media, watching videos, and especially playing games. Its durability has been proven to be efficient from the results of testing by several sources. When the battery starts to run low, users can quickly recharge it thanks to 100-watt wired charging support, which is also compatible with the 100-watt power delivery standard. The charging process is quick, so you don't have to wait long to get back to your activities. iQOO also adds a global direct supply feature that regulates the flow of power directly when the device is in use while charging. This system helps control heat, prevents the battery from draining quickly, and improves energy efficiency. This technology works in conjunction with a new generation silicon-carbon battery called a Blue Sea battery to maintain stable performance over the long term. With this combination, the Neo 11 isn't just fast when charging, but also more durable for daily use. In the Chinese market, the iQOO Neo 11 is priced starting at 2,599 Chinese yuan for the 12 GB RAM variant with 256 GB storage, and is available up to the highest version with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, priced at 3,799 Chinese yuan. The color options available include Facing the Wind, Glowing White, Pixel Orange, and Shadow Black, all of which feature a distinctive and stylish design. Based on the release pattern of previous series, the iQOO Neo 11 is expected to hit the global market sometime after its launch in China. Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, is likely to receive it around the second quarter of 2026, though the exact schedule has not been officially announced. For those planning to purchase this device, it is advisable to wait for official distribution to ensure you receive the warranty and a price that aligns with the local market.